Hello children, good morning to you all. See, we have completed the lesson about our national symbols, which are very important for us. You must be knowing. I hope yesterday when you heard the national song, you stood up, you saluted the national flag. Okay, now our next lesson is soil and crop production. Soil and crop production. Soil and crop production. This is our lesson. In this lesson, what we are going to study is, see, we have already learnt about all the physical features. What are the physical features? Next, one by one, we are going to study about each. In that, we have studied about Great Himalayas. Next comes Northern Plains. Before going to Northern Plains, let us know about soil, how soil is important for crop production, to grow the crops. And so that we will understand what kind of soil is present in Northern Plains. So Northern Plains are very, very fertile lands. Their crop grows very well. Indian major crop production, major food production is from Northern Plains, children. So it is very important for us to know about what type of soil is there, what crops are grown there. For that purpose, first we will know about the types of soils, how they are important, what type of crops are grown in such types of soil. So we are going to know our lesson. Before that, as usual, we will do with new terms. Learning new terms today in this lesson, soil and crop production. First one, renewable, 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 medium, medium, organisms, 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 nutrients, 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 moisture, moisture, moisture. Next, weathering, weathering, weathering. Seventh, disintegration, disintegration, disintegration. Next, decomposers, decomposers, decomposers. Ninth, contribute, contribute. Fertility, fertility, fertility. Next, alluvials, ALLUVIAL, alluvial. Alluvial. Twelfth, igneous, 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 igneous. Crystalline, CRYSTALLINE, crystalline. Millets, MILLETS, millets. Leached, LEACHED, leached. Laterite, LATERITE, laterite. Laterite. Tobacco, TOBACCO, tobacco. Adjoining, ADJOINING, adjoining. 19th, scanty, SCANTY, scanty. Irrigation, IRRIGATION, irrigation. Fertilizers, fertilizers, FERTI. FERTILIZers, fertilizers. Fertilizers. Texture, texture. Saline, loamy, LOAMY, loamy. So first let us read these words, 24 words for today. So renewable, renewable. What I am going to do, half the lesson hard words I gave today, and tomorrow I am going to teach you that part of the lesson. Then I will give next hard words, because there are so many and lesson is also very big one here. So you need to read the lesson, it will be difficult for you. So first what I am doing, one part of the lesson, one page lesson mostly, I am going to give you hard words, and tomorrow I am going to teach the same part of the lesson. Then again next day I will give you remaining hard words and teach you the lesson. That's what we will do. So let us learn the new terms today. renewable, renewable. 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 Simple way. RENEW, new, ABLE, able, renewable. In this way also you can learn it easily. RENEW, ABLE, renewable. RENEW, ABLE, renewable. MEDIUM, medium. MEDIUM, medium. MEDIUM, medium. MEDIUM, medium. ORGA, NIS, MS, organisms. ORGA, NIS, MS, organisms. ORGA, NIS, MS, organisms. ORGA, NIS, MS, organisms. NUTRIENTS, nutrients. NUTRIENTS, nutrients. NUTRIENTS, nutrients. NUTRIENTS, nutrients. NUTRIENTS, nutrients. MOISTURE, moisture. MOISTURE, moisture. MOISTURE, moisture. MOISTURE, moisture. WEATHERING, weathering. WEATHERING, weathering. WEATHERING, weathering. WEATHERING, weathering. WEATHERING, weathering. DISINTEGRATION, disintegration. DISINTEGRATION, gration, disintegration. DISINTEGRATION, disintegration. DISINTEGRATION, disintegration. DISINTEGRATION, disintegration. DECOMPOSERS, decomposers. DECOMPOSERS, decomposers. DECOMPOSERS, decomposers. DECOMPOSERS, decomposers. CONTRIBUTE, contribute. CONTRIBUTE, contribute. CONTRIBUTE, contribute. CONTRIBUTE, contribute. FERTILITY, fertility. FERTILITY, fertility. FERTILITY, fertility. FERTILITY, fertility. ALLU, VIAL, alluvial. ALLU, VIAL, alluvial. ALLU, VIAL, alluvial. ALLU, VIAL, alluvial. IGNEOUS, igneous. IGNEOUS, igneous. IGNEOUS, igneous. IGNEOUS igneous, CRYSTALLINE crystalline, CRYSTALLINE crystalline, CRYSTALLINE crystalline, CRYSTALLINE crystalline, CRYSTALLINE crystalline, CRYSTALLINE crystalline, MILLETS millets, MILLETS millets. You also came across this word in Great Himalayas lesson also, I think. MILLETS millets, MILLETS millets, LEACHED leached, LEACHED leached, LEACHED leached, LEACHED leached, LATERITE letterite, LATERITE letterite, LATERITE letterite, LATERITE letterite, LATERITE letterite, LATERITE letterite, TOBACCO tobacco, TOBACCO tobacco, TOBACCO tobacco, TOBACCO tobacco, ADJOINING adjoining, ADJOIN join ing in adjoining, ADJOINING adjoining, ADJOINING adjoining, ADJOINING adjoining, SCANTY scanty, SCANTY scanty, SCANTY scanty, SCANTY scanty, IRRIGATION irrigation, IRRIGATION irrigation, IRRIGATION irrigation, IRRIGATION irrigation, IRRIGATION irrigation, FERTILIZERS fertilizers, FERTILIZERS fertilizers, FERTILIZERS fertilizers, FERTILIZERS fertilizers, FERTILIZERS fertilizers, TXTURE texture, TXTURE texture, TXTURE texture, TXTURE texture, TXTURE texture, SALINE saline, SALINE saline, SALINE saline, LOAMY loamy, LOAMY loamy, LOAMY loamy, LOAMY loamy. These are the hard words. Our lesson is in page numbers. Let me show you. Just a minute. Page number 62, 63 and same paragraph 64. Till here I gave the hard words, and tomorrow I am going to explain you that much part of the lesson. Then if time remains, next hard words also I will give. You are going to write them 2 times each, neatly leaving a line after one word. One word you write 2 times and leave a line, and this is how we have completed our hard words in lesson sorry, we have completed today's session only for today. Soil and crop production lesson. So here we stop. Thank you, children.